Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic and luxurious vehicles to ever carry the Porsche badge, the 2026 Porsche Macan. This new generation Macan isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagination of what a performance SUV can be in the era of electrification and intelligent mobility. Porsche has infused it with cutting-edge technology, refined design, and the heart of pure sports performance, making it a masterpiece that merges power, luxury, and innovation. From the very first glance, the 2026 Macan looks like it was sculpted in the future. The exterior is sleek, aerodynamic, and aggressive, yet unmistakably Porsche. Its bold LED matrix headlights merge seamlessly with the smooth, sculpted front fascia, giving it a confident and futuristic appearance. The new frameless grille and active air vents enhance airflow, while emphasizing the Macan's dynamic stance. The roofline flows elegantly into a muscular rear end featuring a continuous light bar that illuminates like a blade of light across the back. Porsche's design team has refined every detail. Even the wheels, which come in multiple aerodynamic designs up to 22 inches, are optimized for both performance and efficiency. It's a design that balances sportiness with elegance, capturing the soul of Porsche while pushing the limits of modern SUV styling. Step inside, and the 2026 Macan welcomes you into a world that feels like a luxury cockpit from a futuristic starship. The interior is a blend of high-end materials, digital craftsmanship, and driver-focused design. The centerpiece is a stunning curved 12.9-inch OLED display paired with a fully digital instrument cluster and an optional passenger-side screen for entertainment and navigation. Ambient lighting runs through the cabin, creating an atmosphere that adapts to your mood or driving mode. Porsche has used fine leather, recycled sustainable materials, and brushed aluminum accents to ensure both luxury and responsibility coexist in harmony. The seats are deeply comfortable with advanced ventilation, massaging functions, and memory settings, ensuring that long journeys feel effortless. Every surface and control is intuitive, and the new Porsche driver experience system integrates AI-assisted features, allowing for voice control, personalized preferences, and over-the-air updates. It's not just a car interior, it's a smart living space designed for drivers who expect nothing but excellence. Underneath that futuristic design lies a performance machine that only Porsche could create. The 2026 Macan is built on the new premium platform electric, PPE, shared with Audi's high-end EVs, and offers up to 603 horsepower and over 1,000 Nm of torque in its top turbo variant. Instant acceleration delivers a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just about 3.1 seconds, putting it right in supercar territory. The low center of gravity, advanced air suspension, and Porsche's legendary handling dynamics make it one of the most agile electric SUVs on the market. The all-wheel drive system intelligently adjusts torque between the front and rear wheels for maximum grip and stability on every road surface. Porsche's engineers have also given special attention to regenerative braking and ride comfort, ensuring a perfect blend of efficiency and excitement. When it comes to range, the 2026 Macan doesn't disappoint. With a high-density 100-kilowatt battery, it offers around 380 to 400 miles of range on a single charge, depending on the variant. Thanks to an 800-volt charging architecture, it can recharge from 10% to 80% in just about 22 minutes using a high-speed charger. Porsche also offers an adaptive route planner that calculates the fastest charging stops during long trips, ensuring drivers never experience range anxiety. As for pricing, the base model of the 2026 Porsche Macan is expected to start around $80,000, while the top-tier Macan Turbo could reach up to $120,000 depending on configurations and optional packages. For that price, buyers get a futuristic SUV that delivers true Porsche performance, luxury craftsmanship, and zero-emission innovation. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with other car lovers, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more futuristic car reviews coming soon.